What makes Moby-Dick more than just a story about whaling? This 19th century classic stands at the heart of the American Renaissance, reflecting the ideals of Romanticism and Transcendentalism. How does Herman Melville's masterpiece connect to these broader literary movements? Let's dive in. Moby-Dick by Herman Melville is not only one of the greatest American novels but also a cornerstone of the American Renaissance. This was a period in the mid-19th century when American literature flourished with bold ideas and experimentation. Writers like Melville, Nathaniel Hawthorne, and Ralph Waldo Emerson explored profound themes of individualism, nature, and the human spirit. But how does Moby-Dick fit into this cultural and literary movement? And what can it tell us about Romanticism and Transcendentalism? Today, we'll explore these connections and place this epic novel in the context of its time. Moby-Dick tells the story of Ishmael, a sailor who joins the whaling ship Pequod. Under the command of the obsessive Captain Ahab, the crew sets out on a perilous journey to hunt Moby-Dick, the great white whale that had previously maimed Ahab. Along the way, the novel dives into complex themes of revenge, fate, nature, and humanity's place in the cosmos. But Moby-Dick is more than a tale of adventure, it's deeply philosophical and firmly rooted in the literary movements of its era. Melville's Moby-Dick reflects two key literary movements of the American Renaissance, Romanticism and Transcendentalism. Ahab's monomaniacal pursuit of Moby-Dick mirrors the romantic hero's struggle against overwhelming odds. Meanwhile, the transcendentalist influence can be seen in Ishmael's philosophical reflections. His meditations on the ocean, the interconnectedness of all beings, and the mysteries of the universe echo the writings of Emerson and Thoreau. But, unlike the optimism of transcendentalism, Melville injects a sense of darkness and ambiguity, complicating these ideas. Let's delve deeper into Moby-Dick's connection to these movements. Moby-Dick vividly portrays the awe-inspiring and terrifying power of nature, a central theme of Romanticism. Through its detailed descriptions of the ocean and the whale, the novel captures the sublime, the blend of beauty and terror found in nature. The Pequod's journey, filled with peril and wonder, becomes a powerful metaphor for humanity's timeless struggle to understand and grapple with forces beyond its control. The novel also explores transcendentalist themes, particularly through Ishmael's reflective moments. His musings on the interconnectedness of all life closely align with Ralph Waldo Emerson's concept of the oversoul, which emphasizes the unity of humanity and nature. However, Ishmael's introspections often question these ideals, offering a more balanced and nuanced perspective that highlights the complexity of transcendentalist thought. Another significant theme is the tension between fate and free will, a hallmark of Romanticism. Captain Ahab's obsessive pursuit of Moby-Dick embodies humanity's struggle against destiny, showcasing an individual's determination to defy the forces that bind them. Yet, Melville deepens this narrative by raising profound questions about the nature of fate and humanity's inability to fully control its destiny, suggesting a more tragic and universal truth. While Moby-Dick incorporates many transcendentalist ideas, it also critiques their inherent optimism. The novel's darker tone, coupled with its tragic ending, challenges the belief that humanity can achieve complete understanding or harmony with nature. In this way, Melville offers a counterpoint to transcendentalist philosophy, emphasizing the limitations of human knowledge and the unpredictability of the natural world. The climax of the novel, Ahab's final confrontation with Moby-Dick, is a powerful moment that ties together the themes of the American Renaissance. Ahab's defeat and the destruction of the Pequod symbolize the limits of human ambition and understanding, while transcendentalists like Emerson saw nature as a source of inspiration and wisdom. Melville depicts it as indifferent and incomprehensible. The white whale, a symbol of nature's power, remains undefeated, reinforcing the idea that some mysteries are beyond human grasp. In the end, Moby-Dick is a perfect reflection of the American Renaissance. It weaves together Romanticism's awe of nature with Transcendentalism's search for meaning while critiquing both. Have you read Moby-Dick? What are your thoughts on its connection to Transcendentalism and Romanticism? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos exploring literature's hidden depths.